It's a bowfin. What the? All right. That's a surprise. We got him.
Oh, it's a bowfin. It's a mudfish. You probably call him down here.
What do you get?
A fluke. What do you think? You're good luck. You got to start following us around.
Yo, yeah, you
Thank
too.
you,
Be
you too.
safe. I didn't see a tilapia.
Whoa, big largemouth?
Yeah. What if I feel grinding?
Whew. Oh! Well, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Nice start to the morning. We've been out for about 3 minutes and he was probably pushing 4.5, 5 pounds.
Yeah. I refuse to become that YouTube channel, and when we're just fun fishing, grabbing nets and netting largemouth in the boat.
Running around the boat for the net. Yeah, we don't have a net in the boat.
I
So.
refuse to do that. One, it's not good for the fish.
We've definitely never been big on netting fish.
Two. I love how we get the random largemouth big one surprise almost every single day.
You can never count on catching a whole bunch of them, but yeah, pretty much every time.
Every time there's just one random largemouth surprise, and it's normally a giant.
Yep.
No big snook bites yet.
Nope. Seen a big snook go flying out of the water. Whoop. He never even got it.
Did he?
Oh my God, dude. Ah, you gotta be kidding. Right on the wall.
What is going on?
I don't know, man. I'm literally fishing this like a Senko. Maybe he's still sitting there.
Show him what it will be. So hard to fish that way.
Yeah.
If it's high for you, twice as high for me.
Yeah. Oh, we got it. Oh my God.
Dude.
Did he not eat?
I don't know.
He never got tight on him?
No.
God, it looked like he ate. All right. They're getting a little bigger. I'm loving these GoPros. They actually like.
We are hammering.
All right, yeah, dude. Bunch them up this bank. The tilapia king over here. How did you manage to gaff one?
They have spines. The more I look at this thing, the more I like it.
I love fishing this creek. Like, it's honestly one of my favorite creeks to come fish, and it's quick to fish too, which is nice.
We haven't fished in quite a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, always catch a fish out of it for whatever reason. We did before.
Usually have a chance at a big one. Yeah, not the best numbers creek for us, but. Ooh. Usually have a chance at a big one, I say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh, little guy.
Start.
Yeah, we definitely got him biting this morning. Put it in front of something that are bigger than 6 inches. Those are some really little ones.
They are.
Way more fun than not getting bit though.
But that was a good teaching moment right there. I don't think you were looking at my bait. I came up about maybe 4 inches short of the cast I needed to make, and you don't get the bite because of it.
It's so true. If you don't get, like, that cast was perfect. If you don't get it to the back of that laydown at the shore,
You're done.
you really don't have a chance of catching a fish that's sitting there.
But because I boofed it on the first cast, you don't really, you might get a second chance.
Yeah. Well, you got a second chance there, but yeah. It's not too many times you do. Fish are not stupid.
You ain't getting a third chance. Whoa. Damn.
Big wake.
I just...
Ooh, little jack? That was a jack, right?
Was it?
I'm pretty sure it was a little jack. Let me see. There's one, there's probably 20 of them.
I just started reeling my bait in and I saw him flash the first time.
As fast as he came up and went down, I feel like that looked like...
When I first saw it, I thought it was a snook. So I don't know. It looked
Mike, you got eaten. I saw you look down at the remote for 1 second and I see your line going. Maybe there's just a whole bunch of jack in here.
Folks at home, I can't even put a fucking fish. We're getting fish so much. That's not hard for a little fish.
Not bad.
$12-incher, 14-incher? No.
I mean, probably like 16 inches. Definitely more than 12. Short ball.
Fish?
Oh. He must have ate you dead quietly, like the second it got back there.
You didn't hear nothing?
No, I
never even moved the fluke.
No, you didn't even move it yet, and I didn't hear anything. And
I went to go jerk once, and I was like, "Oh, I'm on the dock."
Thinking like you're hung up on the underside of the dock or something, yeah.
And the next thing I hear is.
All right. Pretty good one. Whoa! Oh, nice one. Ooh, that's a nice one. That jump was sick. Oh.
My line is so screwed, dude.
You want me to go down? Yeah, you got him. Nice. Oh.
Oh my God, Andy. Look where this bait is. Can you see that? It definitely can see it.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's down his throat. That's nice.
Fuck. That fish was so strong.
She was still green, honestly. Nice fish. Yeah, baby. That's a beast, dude.
That was a strong kick. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think the big snook swimming in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
30.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
Good day for it.
Beautiful. Fishing's been good all day.
Been on fire all day.
Nice.
Little clouds are helping.
This is a spot that doesn't get hit very often either because it's kind of hard to get in.
We never see anyone back here.
Yeah, no. Hey, good luck. Enjoy.
Thank you. It's a big difference when they eat, like even with, if you're throwing a fluke, like there's just two different kinds of eat. There's like the subsurface and it's near the top and I'm blasting it out of the water.
Yeah, like that one. Like the one I caught before was cool, but that bite to me is 10 times more.
Yeah, yeah.
We know kind of.
Oh,
Not as big, I don't think.
it's nice though, yeah.
This fish is the hardest fighting little fish I've ever seen.
All right. Nice fish.
Oh. I once was lost, but now I am found. Damn it. No! No! No!
Tarpon?
No, yeah, dude. No!
You hit it right at the boat there?
Hit it, dude.
Oh, what is that? Is it a gar? That's a gar.
Okay, so that's what I saw before.
You never hit it?
Well, I thought he did.
He like swam up to it and never.
They're pretty fucking stupid creatures, huh? Yeah.
He's got half of it in his mouth right now. He's still got it. He's trying to eat it deeper. He's swimming away with it. Oh. Can't wait any longer than that.
That was cool.
Look at the teeth marks.